Hi folks, so here's another lovely van we have to show you around, and this time it's a new model 2018 Ford Transit Custom, the L1 300. This one's the trend model, so 2 litre TDCI and 130 horsepower on this, 6-speed gearbox. Full service history. We actually sold this van when it was just a year old, and that's it now back to us again. With being the trend, comes with a bit better specs, so the bigger horsepower, as I say, rear parking assist there and colour coded rear bumpers. Ford alloys on this one as well, which is over and above the standard trend spec. As I say, with the trend you get colour coded front bumper as well, and mirror covers and front fog lights and park assist there. Heated windscreen in this as well, with it being the trend. DAB radio with Bluetooth connection in the screen as well there. Folding up seats in the front of this as well. Has covered just 95,000 miles, it's just turned on this, and has had its wet belt replaced with all genuine Ford parts in November of 2024. As usual, there'll be a good selection of photographs to accompany this video on our website VanSalesScotland.co.uk. Electric mirrors on this one as well. Cruise control there as well. A terrific example. If you would like to know any more details, daytime running lamps on this as well, with it being the trend. If you'd like to know any more details, just give us a ring on 01738 44 7733. Thanks again for watching.